everyone, my name is Oishidara and today I am going to show you this school experiment. What you will need a hexagonal nut and a balloon. First, put the hexagonal nut inside the balloon and blow it up. Here is the completed balloon. Now, I am going to twirl it in circles. It was making a high-pitched sound even when I haven't twirled it. So what is happening? So the hexagonal nut which is inside, when I'm twirling the balloon, the hexagonal nut is moving very quickly because of the balloon's smooth surface. And when the hexagonal nut is moving very quickly, it is matching the natural frequency of the balloon. And when these two frequencies match, it creates resonance, which is making the high-pitched sound. Thank you.